description of the vehicle in the lane. Bring 0 to 10. Tacoma. 50 north US 1. Felony stop.
Vehicle signal 4. 2 occupants fleeing. Bravo Mike and a Whiskey Foxtrot. Pink hair. Bravo Mike has no shirt on.
Copy. Whiskey Foxtrot, pink hair. Bravo Mike, no shirt. Fleeing on foot.
Vehicle clear. 6133. Have him page we're having already, please.
Do we know which one the driver was?
Vanilla 1.
Join me on 5133, and I'm north of the signal 4 of the vehicle in Flagler.
Do we know which one the driver was?
Driver is the female.
Okay.
Run your 5133.
Yes, ma'am. I'm in an unmarked silver Explorer in plain clothes as well.
Coming on scene. You have a Bravo Mike suspect with no shirt, white female with pink hair. Last seen headed into the wood line behind Builders First, eastbound.
One more unit with K9.
Yep.
Yeah.
Sheriff's Office K9, come out now with your hands up. Announce yourself or I will send the dog and he will bite you. K9 10 to Flagler.
K910.
Providing K9 announcements. Atta boys.
Good boy, push my mouth.
How about this way? Green, green.
We're coming out of the woods. What's the 11?
Copy.
224, I'm heading over to.
Temple.
Probably good problem. Place over there, okay, now. Add subject.
On your face! Stop talking!
Yes, sir.
You have any weapons on your person?
No, sir, at all.
Why'd you run?
Sir, she got scared. Somebody told us to take that truck back to Army by the Sea, sir.
For real.
We'll give you the name and everything.
That's why you ran?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We'll give you
sir.
the name and everything.
Hey, go ahead, handcuff. I got mail.
Yes, sir.
224, I'm heading over to.
We was just told to take the truck back, sir.
Don't move, alright?
I'm not going to, sir.
Probably good problem.
I'm not going to move at all.
Okay, now. Add subject.
Here. Try 210 Flagler.
Scared your life.
Bravo Mike, Whiskey Foxtrot, security.
Situation scared for your life.
Hey, do we know about any other passengers?
Do you have any medical?
Do we know about any other passengers? I don't know who was behind it. Do we have any other passengers here?
Yes, sir. Me and her, sir.
Huh?
Female was the driver.
Bring your foot towards you, and we'll stand you up and move you into the shade. Okay, we'll help you out. Move your foot. There you go. There you go. Stop running. I didn't realize you were coming out. I can't
What's his name? Moore?
Both
Moore?
Yeah,
Okay.
Moore.
What's his first name?
Randy.
Randy Moore, okay. How many are you from Holly Hill?
Yeah.
Some water?
Yeah,
Here, you want some water, man? Mr. Moore, you want some water?
Sent text messages approximately 20 minutes ago stating
Yeah, you want to move into the shade? Let's get him up there. Get him up there.
I'm good. Get it to K9 and Green.